Alright, just in case you don't know, I trade smart money concept SMC. And for me, I just keep trading simple, so simple, very simple. And I will also be pointing out where I took a buy twice from this same BTC. So you all know that the market is kind of ranging at this point. So market is currently at this point. It's currently at this point. So all we just need to do is to come to our main focus, which is this region where the market is at now currently. Then of course we can't zoom in. No matter how we zoom in, this is daily time frame, we can't get the actual um entering point. So what we need to do is to go to our 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. This is also my top down analysis. This is how I follow. I execute using the 15 minutes time frame. So from the 4 hour time frame, I got a BOS, which is a break of structure to the upside, like this. Guys, remember, keep it simple. Just keep it very simple, and I make sure my chart is always neat. There's another thing, I make sure the chart is neat so that there won't be any form of confusion. This is my order block that prompts the movement to the upside. My order block. Um, actually took a buy from this area, then a second buy from this area. But then let me show you from the minute time frame. So let's go to our 2 hours time frame. All checked so that our position is still intact, and our confirmation in SMC, we always wait for confirmation before taking a trade. So this is my confirmation, which is my liquidity. This is my liquidity, and then this is my FVG. These are the confirmation we always check before entering a position. So that was the reason why I got a good buy from here. Just immediately at 10, I got a buy in this position to this point. You can see I've hit my first TP. So this was my first TP for this position. Then I took a position here also. So it was two positions. So for the second position, I got entry from this point, and then I marked here as my BOS, which market pushed up, and then this was my order block. This was my order block that prompts the movement to the upside. So we got another break of structure, another break of structure to the upside. With another break of structure to the upside. So remember guys, I took an entry from here too. So let's go to our 1 hour time frame. So that everything is still intact. The position was so clear. It was coming to us. It was coming to us directly. So we have to wait for the markets. Here, from to take another buy. We have to wait for the market here. Buy. Remember guys, keep it simple. That was our second position. And now we are going to take another position. Um, I wouldn't like to take trades from here because um, it might be a disappointment, and I don't want to take any chances. Fifteen minutes time frame. So we have to build it to this side. Yeah, and then this position to this side. So guys, looking at this, I want to take the trade from this side, so I'll be taking this off. This is where I'll be taking my next position. This is where I'll be taking my next position. So let's go to our execution time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame, where I wait to execute the market. If you notice, this has to be here. Has to be here. Keep it simple and neat. Remember, this is our order block. This has to be here. And then let me take this to this side, or rather take it off. It was a well trade, so I have to take this to this side. Yeah, and this to this side. So if the trade comes to this side, our position, good and fine. If it doesn't, good and fine. But this is why I prefer to wait for my trade. I have this liquidity here. Liquidity is here, which is to me, it's a very good one. It's a very good one. I have my FVG at this point. Yeah, so this is a very good one. A very good one for me at this point. So I would prefer to take it from here. My 15 minutes time frame and my stop loss around this side here, which is, make sure your stop loss is always below this point, because that was our last push down before this massive push up. So always make sure your stop loss is always below. Likewise, when I took the trade from here, I made sure my stop loss was below this also. When I took the trade from here, I made sure my stop loss was also below this other block. So guys, just keep it simple, keep moving. Okay. Now another reason why this trade might go down is we had um we had another block here. Yes, because there was a BOS, a break of structure to this point, and then this other block was meant to hold up to its own level, but was broken. So it was broken. Since it was broken, I would say this level is kind of a change of character to me. Kind of a change of character, which means the market is just changing character to the downside. Meanwhile, note that this is just like a kind of temporary movement, or rather just a minor retracement, which the market has to just kind of retrace down to either this block or my preferred points of interest. So we just have to be patient and wait for the market at this point. So guys, keep it simple. Always keep it simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, just click the like button and then subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.